Welcome to the Rack Warehouse installation video on Thule's new Evo Clamp roof rack system for vehicles with naked roofs. The Evo Clamp roof rack system consists of three main parts: a vehicle-specific fit kit, Evo Clamp Foot Pack, and a pair of Thule crossbars. Locks are optional. First, start by removing the front covers from the Evo Clamp Feet. Then press in on the lever adjustment mechanism to allow the foot to slide onto the Thule crossbars. Next, follow the measurement included with the fit kit instructions. Start with X, which indicates the front bar, and place the feet at the shown measurement. This application specifies 41.5. Thule's slotted SquareBars will have measurements labeled on the crossbars, making it easy to set the feet. Once the front bar feet are set, reference your fit kit instructions to find the correct clip and base pad placement. Thule provides front left and front right stickers to help label the front bar for correct base pad and clip orientation. The front left requires clip 82 and base pad 105. Front right requires clip 82 and base pad 106. When installing the clips, it's important the hooks on the clips grab on the back side of the metal slot to secure the clips in place. Next, make sure you have the correct base pad and press fit the pad to the bottom of the Evo Clamp foot. Then label the foot with the appropriate sticker. Repeat this procedure for the opposite side. Once the feet and clips and pads are set, reference your fit kit instructions to determine the front bar placement on the vehicle. Locate your vehicle, find the Z measurement, which is 9 inches from the windshield to the base of the foot. After measuring the Z measurement, make sure the clip seats properly in the door jamb. If the clip doesn't reach down far enough, you'll probably have to loosen the tightening bolt to allow the clip to drop down around the door jamb. Repeat the same procedure on the opposite side and make sure the feet are centered on the vehicle. When you have both sides measured out, clips fitting properly, hold the clip up into the door jamb and tighten the center bolt with the provided Torx wrench until you hear several clicks. If you're installing by yourself, be sure to equally alternate the tightening of the bolt, otherwise it'll pull the opposite side out of position. To mount the rear bar, reference the fit kit instructions, follow the measurement for Y, and place the feet at the shown measurement, 33.5. With the feet set, reference your fit kit instructions and find the correct clip and base pad placement for the rear bar. Mount the clips and the base pads the same way as the front bar and place the rear right and rear left stickers on the correct feet. To mount the rear bar, locate your vehicle in the fit kit instructions, find the W measurement, which is 30 3/8. After measuring the rear bar placement, be sure the clips seat properly and the feet are centered on the vehicle, and finish tightening down the rear bar. Now both bars are installed, attach all of the front covers to the feet and insert the plastic plugs where the Thule lock cores would go if purchased. Locks are sold separately. Thank you for watching our Thule Evo Clamp Foot video installation. If you have any questions, please contact us at 1-800-272-5362 or visit us at rackwarehouse.com. And always remember, we fit your lifestyle.